Welcome. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to change your username on Telegram using the latest update. Whether you want a more professional handle, a unique name, or just something fresh, the process is quick and easy. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to update your username. Once you're inside the app, look at the top left corner of the screen and tap on the menu icon. This will open your main navigation panel where all your account options are located. From here, tap on My Profile. This will take you to your personal account page where you can see your profile picture, phone number, bio, and current username. Next, find and tap on the username section. This is where you can edit or set a new username that people can use to find you on Telegram without needing your phone number. Now tap on Change Username. You can type in your new desired username. Keep in mind that Telegram usernames must be unique, so if the name is already taken, you'll need to try a different variation. A good tip is to add numbers, underscores, or slight variations to make it available. Once you've entered your new username and it's available, go ahead and save the changes. Your new username will be updated instantly, and people can now search for you using that name. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Telegram username. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more tutorials like this to stay updated with the latest app features and tips.